Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this. It's a package of 2 battery-operated lamps that are LED. They have 12 different modes and they've got 5 different brightness levels, and so I thought it'd be kind of fun with all the different colors and modes to put it in one of my kids' rooms. So I'm going to show you how to put those together, and then we're going to mount them on the wall. They are battery-operated, so you can charge them up, little pucks, and they magnet to the inside. So it seemed like it would be a pretty easy installation. Inside you've got your instruction guide, and you have your 2 light pucks. Look like that. And you have your remote and the charging cable that comes with that. Then in here, you've got your mounting hooks that are adhesive mounting hooks that you can mount to a wall, or you do have the options for some bolt and toggle methods to put that into the wall as well. The actual lamps themselves, they are a metal frame like this that will go onto the wall, and then it has the shade that will attach to this piece here. And then this magnetic part will then magnet onto there. Slide it over like that. And then you're going to go ahead and expand out these metal pieces in here. When they expand out, you're going to poke it through the holes that it provides there like that. And get the shade firmly in place. Now that you've got your lamp shade assembled, on the back of your puck there is a little metal disc that has a adhesive back. You're going to remove that and place that in here wherever you would like to have your light. I'm going to put ours right in the middle of the light there. That just allows this puck to then go ahead and magnet to that on the middle there, and then allows you to toggle the switch on and off so that you can do that and get it set up. So to mount these, I've gone ahead and just held it up and marked a couple of spots, and I'm going to use these adhesive backed hooks and center them on there and put them on. And again, you can also use the other mounting hardware that's provided if you'd like. And we're going to get those put on there, and then this has 2 eyelet holes in the back. We're just simply going to line that up on there and slide those down over the top of that. So when you come on here at night, you can turn them on and you can turn them off individually or together just by where you point this remote. You have an option of a smooth button that will allow them just to color change really smooth between all the cycle of colors that it has. Or there's a flash button on the remote that if you click it, they will actually just flash different colors there for kind of a party mode. It has a 30 and a 60-minute timer, as well as the brightness level here is plus and minus. So if we're going to put them both on white, if you want to go up, I'll show the brightness level. That's as bright as it gets, or we can dim them down. There's a couple of notches down. Dim them down a couple more times. That's as dim as it goes. It flashes, I guess, when it reaches the bottom. So I'll put one of them up to as bright as it'll go, and the other one as dim as it'll go, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. And then you also have about 12 different colors here that you can select, different ones. And they also adjust the brightness on those as well, apparently. So if you have one set brighter or dimmer, you can dim them at the colors, so that's kind of fun too.